Hello everyone, today I will show you how we convert a PDF file to the JPG format and how we convert to the JPG file from the JPG file to PDF format. Okay, sure. Listen, the first tutorial of today is how to convert from JPG to PDF, from JPG to PDF, and second is how to convert from PDF to JPG. Okay, let's go. This is PNG file. Okay, this is the JPG. This is the JPG file, and this time I will save this file to the PDF. Save as. Okay, not it PDF and as PDF. This is saved. The file is almost saved on the PDF version. Okay, here listen, you saw that how I convert a file from JPG to PDF. Okay, at this moment I will show you how I convert a file from PDF to the JPG. Okay, sure. Listen, don't skip this video, watch the full. Okay, copy that. I copied this PDF file. I want to edit this file. With paint. Okay, this time we will show the full picture, full body, and the file is currently in JPG file mode. Save as. Okay, H4. Oh no, that's a big problem. Save the file H4. Okay, and the file is currently available on JPG mode. Okay, okay, see, that the file is coming to the JPG mode. Okay everyone, it is very simple way to converting from PDF to JPG and from JPG to PDF.